Hello friends, today I discuss about micro project. Subject is entrepreneurship development. The, the project topic name is select any product and prepare it cost sheet. Now let's start from introduction. I select cost sheet of Lakshmi Soap factory. There is a history of that factory. It was established in the year 1959. But for the Rangalini family, the roots of soap manufacturing are traceable to year 1921. Seth Thakurdas Rangalani was based in Karachi when he initially started a soap manufacturing unit. After partition, Thakurdas migrated to India and started the unit in the 1948. The company manufactures some product like laundry detergent, detergent cake, detergent powder, soaps, etc. The company tends to go in for manufacturing of toilet soaps. Now we see what is a cost sheet. Cost sheet is a statement prepared to show the various element cost like prime cost, factory cost of production and total cost. And it is a prepare at regular intervals, for example weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, etc. Means we make that monthly as a three month or yearly. Okay, in some cases comparative figures of various periods are shown in the cost sheet so that the assessment can be made about the progress of a business. Now let's see aim of that project. First one is to study about what is a cost sheet and understand cost sheet of product. Then understand about their uses and what is advantage and disadvantage of cost sheet. Next, literature review. Some literature review I put in that slide. Phil Correll, Charles Horngren. Okay. Next one is brief description of project. Now we see what is a cost sheet. A cost sheet is a report on which accumulated all of the cost associated with the product or production job. A cost sheet is used to compile the margin earned on the product or job and can form a basis for the setting of price on similar product in the future. So from cost sheet we set our price of our product or element in our factory, set the margin or what is our profit or loss. We know that from cost sheet. Now in that slide I prepared a cost sheet of that factory. So in that cost sheet I include direct material acid, specialty chemicals cost, ordinary chemicals cost, all like direct labor cost, direct expense cost. Next slide I include rent, power, insurance, supervisory cost, invariable cost, electricity electricity cost, running expense of machine cost, and other expenses like computer, telephone, taxes, carriage outward, all cost are included in that cost sheet. So from that we total it and got a profit cost and sales and cost of sale cost. And next is from that cost sheet analysis. I analyze that advertisement cost, delivery vehicles, petrol cost, packaging rate cost, depreciation, rent, power cost. So from that information we can characterize the cost sheet and the total sales of the Lakshmi Soap factory is 1 crore 5,51,700 rupees. With the help of this information we can easily find out three things. First one is profit volume ratio, second one break even point in rupees, and margin of safety ratio. So PVR is equal to cost divided by sales. Then we got 70% of PVR, and then break even point is equal to fixed cost divided PVR. So we have PVR and fixed cost in our cost sheet. So we calculate break even point in rupees. Here is a fixed cost include first depreciation, rent, power, insurance, supervisory sales. Okay, so now we calculate break even point is fixed cost divided cost. From that we got fixed even point. Then calculate margin of safety ratio, profit divided PVR. In that previous slide we got PVR, and in cost sheet we have a profit, so we calculate from that, we got a margin of a safety ratio. Next is what actual process I followed. First we collect the information of our project, of cost sheet of a product and other information. Okay, ask to teacher about how to make report, and we collect more information from that, and we make a report on our project, and after that we check the report and presentation from our teacher. Output of that project is first develop comprehensive business plan and prepare a plans to manage the enterprise effectively. Then skill developed and learning out of this micro project is I understand what cost sheet of product, I learn their advantage and disadvantage, and also how to prepare cost sheet, and what element is included in that sheet, how to calculate their price and cost, and how to calculate break even point, etc. And here is application of future improvement. First one is determining the selling price, facilitate the managerial decision, disclosure the profitable and unprofitable activities, find out exact causes of change in profit, and preparation of budget. And here is some reference I followed. Thank you.